GYDER Surgical is an orthopedics navigation company. We are developing non-invasive orthopedic navigation tools to improve surgical accuracy. During hip surgery, surgeons typically don't use any technology to place an implant in the hip. More than half the time, they actually miss correct implantation of that cup. GYDER has developed a unique technology that assists surgeons in improving that accuracy of placing the cup every single time they do a hip surgery. By improving surgical accuracy, the number of revision surgeries that typically happen will be reduced over a period of time. What makes GYDER unique is we don't use any metallic invasive pins during registration that is typically used by most navigation systems. We also don't rely on any pre or intraoperative imaging. Significant time is saved in registration and the actual implementation during procedure compared to many other robotic or navigation systems. The most important factors for surgeons adopting new technology really boil down to three things. Is it easy to use? Is it fast? And is it cost effective? We have had great feedback from surgeons who have been involved in the clinical study of the product, as well as surgeons that we have interviewed, we have surveyed in both the United States and Australia. The vast majority of surgeons that we have engaged with have indicated strong interest in using this product when it's available. So the idea came from a conversation between Bob Lai, who is the original inventor of this technology, and an orthopedic surgeon, when the surgeon was explaining the challenge of placing cups accurately during a hip surgery. Bob was immediately thinking about using airline navigation technology, as he is a former airline navigation engineer. It uses computer software, and combining that with sensors and gyroscopes and accelerometers to understand three-dimensional spatial coordinates and translate that into a real-time position when a surgeon is trying to implant the cup into the hip. Where Hydrix had the biggest impact is to translate the concept from just a concept literally on a piece of paper to a real product, and then transitioning that into manufacturing. Hydrix has really done a tremendous job of making sure that the GYDER hip navigation system is really meeting those expectations from surgeons in a phenomenal way. GYDER Surgical is planning to commercialize its product in 2023 in both the United States and Australia. Initially, we are planning to target surgeons who are operating in an outpatient or same-day surgery centers, and specifically anterior hip surgeons who use the anterior approach for hip surgery. These segments are the fastest growing segments in both countries, and we believe a product like this can provide tremendous benefit to surgeons in this environment.